What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to have multiple languages on your Shopify store, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, how to have multiple languages on your Shopify store. So what you need to do first, you need to have some requirements to sell on multiple languages. So the first option is the first requirement is to have the basic Shopify plan or hire a team that is compatible with selling in multiple languages. All the free teams from Shopify are compatible. You might need to update your team for it to become compatible with selling in multiple languages. If you're using a third-party team, then you can contact your team developer to check if it is compatible. A team that has a language selector, if you are using another team or an older version of the team, then you can add a language selector using the geolocation app by Shopify. The Shopify then translates an adapt app or a compatible third-party translation app. So if you meet the requirements, how to add another language. So basically, from the Shopify admin, go to Settings and Languages. Click Add Language and choose a language from the drop-down menu, then click Add. Select an active market to add your language. To do either of the following, so either use the Translate and Adapt app to import your translated content into Shopify, or visit the Shopify App Store and install a translation app to your store. Follow the steps in the app to translate your online store content and publish new languages, and just click a preview to view different languages in your online store, and you can preview both published and unpublished languages. So if you need to create a new active market, you need to add a market, which I did a tutorial on, so you can just watch and see that is an easy process. So basically that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.